Welcome back to Trip Tips and List. Why are there not more people talking about Sintra, Portugal? Have you ever dreamed of stepping into a fairy tale? Imagine a place where every corner you turn feels like a page from a storybook. Sintra, Portugal is just the place for you. This enchanting town is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. Nestled amidst rolling hills and dense forests, Sintra is a magical town that feels like it's straight out of a storybook. The landscape itself seems to whisper tales of old. Colorful palaces peek out from lush greenery, their vibrant hues contrasting beautifully with the natural surroundings. Ancient castles stand guard on mountaintops, their stone walls echoing with centuries of history and legend. And charming cobblestone streets invite you to get lost in their beauty, each turn revealing a new delight. Sintra is a place where history and nature intertwine seamlessly, creating an atmosphere that is both enchanting and inspiring. The blend of natural beauty and historical architecture is truly mesmerizing. Whether you're young or old, adventurous or relaxed, Sintra has something special to offer everyone. From thrilling hikes to peaceful strolls, there's an activity for every pace and preference. Get ready to be swept away by the magic of Sintra, Portugal. The sights, sounds, and scents of this place will captivate your senses. Sintra is easily accessible from Lisbon, making it a perfect day trip or a longer stay. The journey itself is a prelude to the wonders that await. As you approach Sintra, you'll feel a sense of wonder begin to wash over you. The rolling hills and distant palaces create a breathtaking first impression. The air feels different here, infused with the scent of pine trees and the promise of adventure. It's a place where every breath feels like a step into a new story. Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey to one of the most captivating destinations in Europe. Sintra is not just a place to visit, it's a place to experience, to feel, and to remember forever. Imagine walking through forests where sunlight filters through the leaves, creating a dappled effect on the forest floor. The air is fresh and filled with the scent of pine and eucalyptus, making every breath a delight. Picture yourself climbing winding paths that lead to breathtaking views of the Atlantic Ocean. As you ascend, the sound of waves crashing against the cliffs below becomes a soothing background melody. This is the magic of Sintra's landscapes. Each turn reveals a new vista, more enchanting than the last, with lush greenery and rolling hills stretching as far as the eye can see. Sintra is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Whether you're seeking solitude or a peaceful retreat with loved ones, Sintra offers the perfect sanctuary. The Sintra Cascais Natural Park is a must-visit for nature lovers, with its diverse flora and fauna. The park is a living museum of biodiversity, home to countless species of plants and animals. You might even spot a wild boar or a roe deer. These encounters with wildlife add an element of surprise and wonder to your adventure. The park offers a variety of hiking trails, from easy strolls to more challenging climbs. Each trail provides a unique perspective of the park's natural beauty, ensuring there's something for everyone. But Sintra's beauty isn't limited to its natural wonders. The aerial views reveal a tapestry of landscapes that blend seamlessly with the town's historic charm. The town itself is a sight to behold, with its colorful buildings, cobbled streets, and charming shops. Each corner of Sintra's town center tells a story, inviting you to explore and discover its rich heritage. Take some time to wander through the historic center, stopping to admire the architecture and soak up the unique atmosphere. The blend of Gothic, Moorish, and Manueline styles creates a visual feast for the eyes, making every moment in Sintra unforgettable. No trip to Sintra is complete without visiting its iconic palaces and castles. These architectural marvels are not just buildings, they are gateways to a rich and vibrant history that spans centuries. Each one is a masterpiece of architecture and history, transporting you back in time to a world of kings, queens, and fairy tale adventures. The intricate designs and grand structures tell stories of a bygone era, making every visit a journey through time. Pena Palace, with its vibrant colors and whimsical design, looks like it belongs in a Disney movie. Its unique blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Manueline styles makes it a visual feast for the eyes. Explore its lavish rooms, climb to the top of its towers for panoramic views, and let your imagination run wild. The palace's interior is just as enchanting, with opulent furnishings and intricate details that captivate visitors of all ages. Quinta da Regaleira is another must-see, with its mysterious gardens, underground tunnels, and enigmatic symbols. This estate is a playground for the curious, offering a labyrinth of paths and hidden corners to discover. Kids and adults alike will love exploring this fascinating estate. The sense of mystery and adventure is palpable, making it a perfect destination for family outings and solo explorations alike. For a glimpse into Sintra's Moorish past, visit the Castelo dos Muros, a medieval castle perched high on a hilltop. This fortress offers a stark contrast to the palaces, with its rugged stone walls and strategic vantage points. Walk along its ancient walls, enjoy stunning views of the town below, and imagine the battles that once took place here. The panoramic vistas from the castle are breathtaking, providing a perfect end to your historical journey through Sintra. Sintra is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on an adventure through the Sintra Cascades Natural Park. Choose from a variety of trails that wind through forests, past waterfalls, and up to breathtaking viewpoints. For a more leisurely experience, rent a bike and explore the town and its surroundings at your own pace. Cycle along the coast, stopping at hidden beaches and charming cafes. Or simply wander through the streets of Sintra, discovering hidden alleys, quaint shops, and cozy cafes. Don't forget to pack your camera. Sintra is incredibly photogenic, and you'll want to capture every moment of your adventure. A taste of Sintra vegan delights await. After a day of exploring, treat yourself to a delicious meal at one of Sintra's many restaurants. Sintra offers a diverse culinary scene with something to please every palate. And yes, that includes vegans. Tascantiga is a must-visit for vegan and vegetarian travelers. This cozy restaurant serves up creative and flavorful dishes made with fresh local ingredients. Be sure to try their vegan francesinha, a Portuguese specialty. For a fine dining experience, head to Incomum by Luis Santos. This Michelin-recommended restaurant offers a vegan tasting menu that will tantalize your taste buds. Of course, no trip to Portugal is complete without trying the famous pastel de nata. These creamy custard tarts are a national treasure, and you can find vegan versions at several bakeries in Sintra. Beyond the tourist trail, hidden gems of Sintra. While Sintra's main attractions are certainly worth visiting, don't be afraid to venture off the beaten path and discover some of its hidden gems. Visit the Monserrate Palace, a hidden gem nestled in a lush valley. Explore its exotic gardens, admire its intricate architecture, and enjoy a moment of tranquility away from the crowds. For a unique cultural experience, visit the Museu Anjos Teixeira, a museum dedicated to the work of Portuguese sculptor Anjos Teixeira. Admire his impressive sculptures and learn about his life and artistic process. Or take a day trip to the nearby town of Azenhas do Mar, a picturesque village perched on a cliff overlooking the ocean. Sintra after dark, an enchanting transformation. As the sun begins to set, Sintra takes on a whole new kind of magic. The palaces and castles are illuminated, casting a warm glow over the town. The streets are quieter, and the air is filled with a sense of tranquility. Enjoy a romantic dinner at a restaurant with views of the illuminated Pena Palace. Take a stroll through the quiet streets, stopping to admire the illuminated fountains and monuments. Or simply relax in your hotel and enjoy the peace and quiet of Sintra after dark. Planning your Sintra escapade tips and tricks. Sintra is a popular destination, so it's a good idea to plan your trip in advance, especially if you're visiting during peak season. Book your accommodation and transportation early to avoid disappointment. Sintra is easily accessible from Lisbon by train, bus, or car. The train journey takes about 40 minutes and offers scenic views along the way. Once in Sintra, you can get around on foot, by bus, or by taxi. Consider purchasing a Lisboa card, which gives you free access to public transportation and discounts on attractions. Be sure to wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be doing a lot of walking. And don't forget your camera. Sintra is incredibly photogenic, and you'll want to capture every moment of your adventure. The unforgettable magic of Sintra awaits. Sintra, Portugal is a destination that will stay with you long after you've left. Its magical landscapes, fairy tale palaces, and enchanting atmosphere create an experience that is both unforgettable and inspiring. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to escape the everyday, Sintra has something special to offer everyone. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your sense of wonder, and embark on an unforgettable journey to the magical town of Sintra, Portugal. Click here to watch more videos and continue your adventure.